Okay. Okay. In charge of all corona care centers. Okay. Okay. And then disposal of the waste also is very critical.
Yes, sir. From the second floor, all the waste will go to the municipal
Everybody. So 200 rooms we have for the patients. Good morning. Very good.
So this is the new Corona Care Center. So please tell us about this facility. Yeah, this is a 250 bedded Corona Care Center that we have come up with. This is of course been only possible because of the support of IIM and because of the support given by them and this place given by them to the state government. We have managed to completely renovate the whole place. It was within 1 month's time, all the departments, PHE, PWD, MECL, Education, Health Department, all these departments came together in 1 month's time. We have put up this center. There are about 70 people working here, and this is a center where we will be putting cases, if they come up, positive cases, which are mostly in category A and B, which are mild cases. So therefore, this is most probably one of the bigger ones in this, definitely the biggest one in the state, and maybe in the region also one of the bigger ones. So I'd like to again thank IIM for their support, and also like to thank all the officials who have worked day and night to make this possible and completed within 1 month's time. And all the staff already are staying here. And as I said, about 70 staff will be here at any given time to take care of it.
Do we have separate rooms for the persons to be quarantined in this center?
Yes, there are separate floors that are there. So in 170 staff will be here at any given time to take care of it.
Do we have separate rooms for the persons to be quarantined in this center?
Yes, there are separate floors that are there. So on one floor the staff will be staying. And then in another separate floor, suspected cases will be there. And another separate floor, the other positive patients will be kept if there are any. So therefore, there are segregations. Each room is an individual room with a individual and separate toilet attached to it. So therefore, I think it's come out quite well, and it should serve the purpose that we require.